Pompano fish with some steamed roast yam. Let's taste. Very good. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope this year finds us in love, joy, peace, and prosperity. Today I will be cooking pineapple sweet and sour pompano fish. My name is Elmarie. Let's get started. So here goes my fish, but I think this fish have a little scale on it. So I will just clean the fish. Oh yes, it does. Clean the fish. Because these fish, the older they get, the more they have a little scale. And I'm using a plastic dinner knife so it won't slip and cut me. Okay, that's about it. I will just wash it with lime. I'll take off this part first before seasoning. So now I will just pour the fish. This fish is kind of hardy. It's more family to the jackfish. Yeah, the jackfish. So I'll cut it deep enough so the season can penetrate the fish and soak even faster. And I'll do the same thing other side. I'll turn the fish over and I'll do the same thing on the next side. Now I will season the fish with just salt and pepper. So I have some black pepper here. So I'll put some salt. My preference, of course, is the pink salt. I just set the fish like this so the salt and pepper can go all the way in. And now I'll set this aside. So with this meal, with the fish, I will be serving yam. So I got this nice yellow yam from Jamaica. So I will be steam roasting the yam to serve with the fish. So first I will set the pot on. And I will get some salt in the water. I'm not putting too much salt in the water because I will be using salt another time on the yam. So this is the steamer, so I just set the water now to have it boil. So now I will set the frying pan to have the fish fry. And guys, I'm using my new pot, was given to me for Christmas gift from one of my lovely subscribers. Thank you. You don't want your name to be called? That's okay. So in the meantime, I will just, while the water is boiling, the pot is getting hot, the fish is already seasoned, I will just start cutting up my vegetable. Guys, if you watched the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And fish cannot cook without your scotchy. So I'm using Scotch bonnet pepper. But because this dish might end up like reddish, yellowish, I decide to use the green pepper. So therefore, one can identify the green pepper easy instead of a yellow pepper in a yellow mix. This ginger is from Jamaica. And I'm cutting my garlic. I kind of like to go heavy on the garlic. Now the steamer is boiling. I will peel the yam and get it in the pot. I need the middle part of it. So now guys, I won't put the yam in directly in the water. I will put the yam just on top because I'm having the yam steam. So I'll put it just on top and I'll cover. I'll just do a little test to see if my oil is hot enough. If it swizzles, it's hot. Okay, it's not sizzling loud enough, so simple means it needs more time to get hotter. So guys, I'm frying the fish like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So now this, I'm pretty sure that side is ready. So I will just flip it and fry it now on the other side. Beautiful. So now guys, the fish is almost done. So now I will take it out of the oil and set it aside. So guys, now that I remove the fish, all of these ground provision that I have cut, I will just place it in the pot now. Wow, so colorful and nice. So see, I placed the yam in the steamer right here and have it cook because water is underneath there, so it steamed nicely. So now I'll remove it from the stove, set it aside just to have it cool down a little bit. And guys, I'm using the canned pineapple. So I pour out the pineapple juice because I'm gonna mix some ketchup. This is some oyster sauce. Some soy sauce. This is pepper. This is sweet chili pepper, but it's in an oil. A little meat seasoning because you notice I didn't put any seasoning on the fish. I just use salt and pepper. I'll use some pimento grain, just a little, just a few. Sweet and sour sauce, and I'm using the VH brand. And this is complement fish sauce. This back home is we used to call this nata seed, but I found the powder here. It's annatto powder. Annatto powder. Yeah. So this fighting color here might give me red. No, orange and this is what? Yellow and orange. Red give you orange, yeah. I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning. And I would pour these into the pot now. So guys, to this mix also, to this sauce, I will be putting some Grace coconut cream. I'm just using a small piece. I'll give the sauce a taste. Needs more pepper, so I'll use more oil. That's the looks of my sauce, guys. You see how thick and nice it gets? So now I will put the pineapple in. And also I will put some vinegar. I'll put some vinegar. And now I'll place the fish into the pot, but I will remove the fish at the same time. That's good. So this is done. So the fish is already properly fried. So I just put the fish in the pot just to drench it a little bit with the sauce. So now I'll remove it from the pot. The reason why I remove it because I want it to keep the crunchiness. The yam is hot, so I will get some butter on it. And I make sure it distributes evenly on both sides. There we go. So now I'll season the yam. That's the reason why I did put just a bit of salt in it, because you know all of these things have X amount of sodium in it. So I will just put some seasoning on the yam now. And I'm using this one, is the meat seasoning. Then because I'm cooking fish with it, I decided to use some of the yardie fish fry. Okay, I can get my hand dirty. Doing all of this, guys, the work after this to clean up all of this, oh my god. But if you're a woman and in your kitchen, or a man and in your kitchen, you know how it goes. So this is continuing to cook the yam further, because I didn't cook the yam all the way through, and also to have it roast and mark on top of my grill. So guys, now I will continue to do a little housekeeping now, a little cleaning up, because my next step, I am going to be plating and of course eating. That's the best part of cooking, when you reach to the eating part. So now guys, these are yam slices. They are ready to flip on the other side. So before I do that, I will just give them a turn. The reason for doing this now is because I want the yam to have the mark on that side. Then I will flip it on the other side. See, it's having those beautiful marks. So now I will be plating. There we have it guys, all finished, all done. A lovely plate of, look how beautiful it looks. Pompano fish with some steamed roast yam. Let's taste. Very good. Not because it's done by me, delicious. Roast yam is just roast yam. So I'll have it with some of the veggie. The season on top of the yam, and I mean the little smoky flavor too, it adds so much flavor to the yam. It's so delicious. Guys, you should all try this at home. Very delicious. The fish is crispy like on the outside and very soft and mild on the inside. So good, so good. Guys, hope you all like this video. Please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.